viewers, in this video, I will illustrate the steps to set up auto-debit mandate for KyaTrade subscription. To do so, first log into the app using your trading login credentials. On the KyaTrade app dashboard, tap on the subscribe button. Now, select the plan that you wish to activate and tap on the activate plan button. You can subscribe to the KyaTrade plans by activating its starter pack. You can experience the KyaTrade starter pack for the first month at just ₹1. Now choose your desired plan. The plans and tap on the begin ₹1 starter pack button and then yes to confirm. Select the packs that you wish to activate post expiry of your starter pack and tap on the proceed button. You can opt for the monthly or the annual pack in each plan. The monthly pack will be billed monthly, the annual pack will be billed once annually. Please note, you do not need to make payments for your upcoming packs at this stage. The subscription fee will be deducted once your starter pack ends. Now, verify the payment summary and then tap on the continue button. Now, an auto debit window will appear where you have to verify and confirm your bank details and mandate debit limit that comes pre-filled and then tap on the setup auto debit button. Please note, your auto debit mandate amount is greater than your subscription amount to ensure that your subscription is successful. Be assured that only your plan subscription amount will be deducted from your bank account. Now, select the preferred mode for auto debit payment, which can be Netbanking or Debit Card. Now let's see the steps if you want to set up mandate using Netbanking. On selecting Netbanking, you will be redirected to the NCPI page where you will find pre-filled registered bank account details. Confirm your bank account number and tap on the checkbox after going through the disclaimer. Now, tap on proceed to continue. After this, you will be redirected to your Netbanking page where you have to validate this mandate by logging into your account and authenticate via OTP. Now, you will be redirected to the mandate portal. Here, you have to check the checkbox and tap on proceed. That's it. Your mandate is registered successfully. Now, let's see the steps if you want to set up a mandate using debit card. If you select the debit card option while processing the mandate, you'll be redirected to a gateway wherein you need to enter your high security transaction password or OTP for authorizing access. Next, you'll have to select the active debit card that you wish to use for the transactions and fill in the card information. Upon validation of your debit card, you'll find the success message on the screen. You will be then redirected to the mandate portal where you need to agree on the debit mandate instructions from Samco Securities and tap on the agree button. At last, you will see the mandate authorization successful page. I hope this video was informative. If you need any assistance, feel free to call us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you.